Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you like Pokemon, I think you're going to like this lesson because we're going to learn how to draw Charmander. So if you're ready, and you have your pencil, and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. And that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what I'd like to really take home for a challenge for you is check out some other Pokemon characters, and you take that lesson and try to draw that character, one of your favorites, out of all those different hundreds of characters that they have. Anyways, I want to really say thanks for checking out this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do. And as well as check out my website. I have some great content and also some really fun books that I'm working on right now. Anyways, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.